the cables are kind of just one aspect of it. You also need the connectors, the keystones, and later on more and more of it. So for us, the cables themselves are kind of just one aspect of an entire system. When we started launching with the 1 Series Cat cables, we also started to do the 1RJ, which is our push-through connectors. But from there, hearing the multiple feedback about the choices that people need to use, they would also like to have, a non-push-through version. And with that, this year, one of the things that we're launching is the Pro Series, connectors, which include a boot and also a non-push-through 24-gauge connector with something that we're going to speak about, which is the unbreakable latch that comes with it. And this is a fully field terminatable solution, and just ensures, again, longevity in your channel applications as well. Yeah. And just makes everything easier for the installer.
Yeah, so Cat cable needs to be a system. It's the connection between all of our devices.
Yeah.
And devices are increasing. We're going to have more and more devices as we continue to advance technology. But we need platforms that we can deal with both legacy devices and new opportunities. And the network is really where everything resides.
So we work to respect through this whole supply chain. I mean, the smallest part we fit is the crimp that goes on a Cat cable. It's the cheapest thing we stock. It's pence. It's nothing, and it may as well be free in the scheme of an entire project. But if that fails, the entire project fails. The client doesn't care which bit failed if a huge project goes down because one product failed. So when we standardized to use only Kordz RJ45s, we knew that every technician used the same part and everyone was doing the same way, the same technique, the same tools, the same parts. And that standardization it massively improves our reliability and our consistency. We had subcontractors buying RJ45s from Amazon, and that's why? So because they had it on their van, that's what they used, we'd get the invoice. We now supply to every subcontractor. They only use products supplied by us every time. It's always Kordz, and they always work. And it's the cheapest part, but every part's important, and that doesn't fail.